What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write a story. So let's say you want to write a romantic novel or a romantic story and you do not know how to start, so you can open ChatGPT and tell it to generate the index or the sections of the book. So let's say give me the index of a short romantic story. Okay, give me the index of chapters of a short romantic story, and then hit enter or click search, and ChatGPT will generate many chapters names for the story, and you can go ahead and copy each section or the title of each chapter, and then ask ChatGPT to generate a chapter of this title. So generate a romantic story chapter based on this title, and you can go ahead and paste this title, and you can go ahead and paste this title. Okay, and then click enter, and ChatGPT will start generating the chapter itself. So you can do so with each of the chapters and you will have your book.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.